So we're here doing a maintenance on this Goodman heating and air conditioning system. First thing I'm going to do is check the capacitor. This one says it's testing at 8.45, so this capacitor has exceeded its life expectancy. It should be replaced. Next thing I'm going to do is disconnect the thermostat. Now the furnace has power. I want to test the fan. At startup it was pulling 7 amps as a result of that capacitor being full, and right now it's running at 2.9 amps. It's definitely time to replace it. I want to hook up my meter to the flame sensor so I can test the flame sensor. Put my meter lead in it, then I'll connect the other meter lead to the flame sensor itself. Then we can turn on the heater and see how many amps everything's pulling. And our flame sensor is giving us a low reading, so the flame sensor should be cleaned. I'm going to check the amp draw on the inducer motor. It should be under 1 amp, and it is pulling 2.08 amps. So this inducer motor is more than likely going to heat up while the furnace is running, and it will stop working at some time because the bearings will get too hot and the furnace will shut down. This furnace right now is blinking a 4 code at me, and it tells me that there's an open high limit switch. So I'm going to let this furnace go back into the standby mode, and I'll test the limit switch to see if it has continuity. There we go. So our igniter's turning on. There's our flame, so the gas valve is good. I'll be giving them a quote to replace the inducer motor, because if this furnace runs for more than a couple of minutes, the inducer motor is going to heat up and stop running, and that will shut down the entire furnace.